Hey guys, you know who this is, Young Crasher here, and we're gonna do a mukbang. So we got a orange juice, and then we got the platter, jumbo platter from Jack in the Box, and we gonna see, you know what I'm saying, how it tastes. We're gonna eat this, So right here we got the small pancakes. Hmm. These are delicious. God damn. This is so good, yo. This is so good. I'm having a seizure. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. I know that's unnecessary, but you know what I'm saying? This is too good. We can't forget the sausage. Hmm. This is good. Yeah, this is good. By the way, this is the egg is the protein, the yellow is the protein. Sausage, it's okay. I would say that that's. I don't think that's protein, or is it? I don't know. Could be protein. I'm saying it could be protein. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of this right here, like the potato or whatever you call this. I'm not a big fan of this, but I mean, I'll still eat it. The hash brown. We still got one pancake left. And we almost done with this one, so. So, I am done with this. I'm not gonna eat the hash brown because I don't like the hash brown. But, we gotta chug this down. We chugged it down like my name was Chugs. You know what I'm talking about. That's it. It's gone. There's nothing in there. And yeah, that's the mukbang. If you guys want to see more of these, comment if you like it. Hey, I'll do some more. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate your time. Please give it a like and subscribe. Comment. Let me know what food should I do of mukbang. And yeah, Young Crasher here. Until next time. Peace.